There are a lot of AI website builders that claim to build professional websites, but after hours of testing them, only a few are actually useful. So in this video, you're going to learn how to use the 3 best AI tools that can create modern websites for your business in seconds. They are free to use and can be used to create a portfolio site, a landing page, or a business website. The first tool I can recommend is Framer. This tool has gotten a lot of buzz over the past few months, and it for a good reason. It is a no-code website builder that's revolutionizing how we build websites, and big companies like Dribbble and Zapier are already using it to build pages of their websites. I tried it and was able to create modern-looking websites in minutes without hiring a developer. You can create websites like this with zoom and scroll animations. Without learning a line of code, you can also pull off mouse effects and advanced scrolling effects like this to hook your visitors, all within an intuitive canvas editor. I'll drop the link to sign up for Framer in the description below, and once you are logged in, you have 2 options to build your site if you don't want to start from scratch. One is to go to the Actions tab and click on Generate Page under AI to show you how it works. I'll add a simple prompt asking it to create a modern website for an online video community. I asked it to include vital pages like payment plans, instructors, profiles, and so on, and then click on Start Framer. I will get to work and give you a cool website in seconds. As you can see, it gave us a relevant header with cool hero images in a sleek design, a simple button to join the academy, and if you scroll down you will find more info on the program, and it features it also added the instructors' profiles, the community section, and the pricing plans. As I requested, there's also a footer with necessary links, and if you zoom out the canvas you will see the tablet version and the mobile version with similar content. Editing on Framer is very easy. You can change the color palette on the right bar and shuffle it till you find the one you like. You can also change the display font to fit your project, like a bold or handwritten one. The AI also allows you to rewrite the copies, and you can edit any text easily. The attribute of any element you click will always appear on the right bar, which is where you can tweak it as desired. Another method to design on Framer, which I actually prefer, is by using the templates. These are created by professional designers in Framer community, and you will always find cool templates with amazing scroll effects, advanced animations, and parallax scrolling. These effects are created with Framer, and you can also create it from scratch if you want, but the templates are there to make your work faster. So I can edit this one by importing it, and you can see how it looks on different devices. Now everything looks static, but if you click on one of the elements you will see the attributes on the right side, which will reflect on the live website. For instance, if I change this barcode type to absolute and then preview it, you'll see that it disappears as soon as I scroll down on the live website, whereas if I were to change it to fix and preview it again, you can see that it remains fixed as I scroll down on the website. This is true for all other elements, which means you can tweak the styles and effects to fit your project. Another benefit of Framer, which is not available on other website builders I've used, is the paste from Figma tool. If you are a designer that uses Figma for your design, you simply need to install the plugin to your browser from the Framer community. I have a project open here on Figma, and if I want to import it, all I have to do is to click on the element or page I need. Then I can go to the Figma menu to choose the Framer plugin. This will copy all the layers with their elements, and it will ask me to copy it to my clipboard. I can then go back to Framer to create a new page, then paste the Figma content with Ctrl+V on my keyboard, which will be done in seconds. You may notice that the content does that fill the canvas, but if you double check on Figma, you can see that the frame size is 1280 by 5183, so I can click on the canvas on Framer and increase the size to the one on Figma, which will make the content fit the canvas. You can edit them and add cool effects on them as you'll do on any Framer's project, and this works surprisingly better than I was expecting. Similar to the third tool in this video, Framer allows you to clone website. You need to install this extension for HTML, then go to a web page you wish to create, click on the extension and start clicking on the layers and elements to copy them. When you are done, go back to Framer and start a new page. Press Ctrl+V and it will paste all the web page content there, including the images. Zooming out, I noticed that the hero image was not copied, so I can go back to the website and copy it, then paste it on the frame. You can edit any of the content as before, and Framer allows you to do all these completely for free. You only need to pay when you want to publish your website and host it on their server, which starts as low as $5 per month. The second tool I have for you is Code Design. This one also allows you to create quality websites fast with AI. You simply need to enter your prompt in the box and choose your preferred language. I paste the same prompt as Framer and click here to generate the website. Code Design will follow the prompt and design a professional website in minutes. It gave us a header with a hero image, and we have some features and a footer. You can add more sections on the right, like pricing plans, which can be edited to your taste. Code Design offers AI writers to write or rewrite copies, and you can tweak the elements attributes on the right bar as well. They also offer free images to add to your site, which is powered by Unsplash, and you can also edit the tablet and mobile view at the top. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles like Framer, but you can also start with a template, which may make your work faster. It has simple animations and different style settings, which is enough for a portfolio site or a service website. I added them here because they often have lifetime deals, which start at $97, and their basic monthly plan only costs $9. The third tool I strongly recommend is 10Web. They are one of the first AI website builders and arguably the best one. They have a lot to offer, from e-commerce sites to blogging, automated hosting, AI, SEO, and page speed booster. I love this tool because it's created with WordPress in mind, which means you can manage your website with AI. If you prefer a more manual approach, you will be able to manage it on the native WordPress dashboard. You can start creating your website from their homepage and choose one of these options. I will choose the AI option and answer some questions on the next pages. 10Web will use your answers to create a suitable website, which you can tweak as you wish. I will give it the same prompt as before and choose the English language. You can add services or features of the website and click on Finalize to create your website. 10Web also gave us a header and an AI photo for the hero section. Scrolling down, we have testimonials, features, and so on. 10Web will ask you to start a free trial, which will enable them to install your WordPress website on their host. You can then manage your website with a simple drag and drop interface and write web copies with AI. It is similar to page builders since it's using Elementor and allows for more flexibility than any other tools. In this video, you can also click on the WordPress logo from the dashboard to edit your site using the latest WordPress and edit the post pages and plugins, all of which can also be done from the 10Web dashboard. You can see the pages the AI created here, such as the community forum, online course, and so on. If you go back to the main menu, you can see hosting settings, e-commerce features, and the post and pages. As we saw earlier, 10Web can also clone web pages similar to Framer. Its pricing starts as low as $10, and I'll place the link to get started in the description and pinned comment, and you'll learn one or two things from this one. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to 9GadgetBD and drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.